got scars on my back from your knife, so don't think it's in the past. These kind of wounds